Greetings everybody, Matt Wonky here, and I got a new announcement for you. I suppose all announcements are kind of new unless you've heard them before. I've got an announcement. We are now on a vanilla server. I have a vanilla server, and it's vanilla with some plugin support. So let me carefully creep to the edge of the spawn top, and we'll hop on down. Okay, so, ooh, I need to put up a sign about that too while we're at it. Sign. Hey, clocks do cool, cool things. FYI. Yeah. Okay, so this is a vanilla plugin, a vanilla server. It is decently, we hit F3, it is running 1.8.9 vanilla, except it is a bucket server, so it's got a bunch of different plugins. Let me show you real quick what we got. If I type /pl, we got my items, which lets me make the cool clocks and other cool things that we'll do eventually. A banner maker, I can type in BM, and I can create a banner and make a lime banner, maybe put a creeper face on it, and it does all this really cool stuff. It's pretty cool. Chop tree, I don't have an axe on me, but chop tree lets you break just the first. Are you gonna see me, guy? No. Ha, carpet trick still works. Good. I was kind of worried about that. Chop tree lets you chop down just the bottom log, and it'll drop the entire tree. Advanced plate launchers is gold thing. We'll deal with in a second. Fast craft. I don't see any things. Warps and editable signs. Editable signs are really cool. I can come up to, like, let's run around and look at our signs real quick. Talk about it in a second. So, this is my basic spawn. I've got a person, Orange Mellow, I think her name is. My friend Kaylee, she's making a thing that'll be a nicer, prettier spawn, because I just did a box to have a spawn area. So, hey, clocks do cool things, FYI, sure. Please to read signs. This is a launch pad. We'll do that in a second. So World Edit makes crafting a wooden axe pointless. It does, and not much I can do about it. Sorry, guys. So just skip a wood axe, go to a stone one. Basic rules of the server. Be a cool person. Done. That's it. A lot of people are going to be opt on here because it lets you do really cool things. As much as I like survival, if you want to do creative, if you want to do build things, you can definitely do build things. Be a cool person involves Wheaton's first law, which is don't be a dick. Be nice to people. Don't be a jerk. You don't have to be a jerk to be on the internet. Don't intentionally go and destroy people's houses. Don't, I think I got rules on pranking over there. But yeah, be a cool person. Be excellent to each other. There we go. That's how I want to do it. Please remember right away if there's any issues. Frick. Well then. That was unfortunate. Apparently, I get to jump into creative and rebuild this a little bit. I don't remember what the sign said. I could probably look and check, but not gonna horribly worry about it. Sea lanterns. Any of the top ones blow up? No. Good. I don't know how I'd fix that one. I guess that creeper found a way to get through. Frick. How do I want to fix it? Wonder if creepers use launch pads. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna, go away, torch. And green clay. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, the launch pad's now worthless. Okay, this sign can go then. Frick. It's not what I wanted to do here. Door. Let's go birch. My shovel. No. Whatever. Just a shovel. Just iron. Ooh. Just destroy that. We'll deal with it later. Put a new one in eventually. No, go in there. Cool. Y'all get out of here. Anyway, so rules of the server. be a cool person. Yeah. Okay. So I was saying over here, bases and builds. If you have any issues, please let me know right away if there are any issues. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, if you notice something that's wrong, let me know so I can fix things. I think that's what the rest of it was, saying that, you know, I can't fix things until I know. There's definitely going to things between. On bases and build. Please mark your territory clearly. I hate running claims courts. And so I once had a server where somebody did not make a claim. He tunneled into a mountain that looked really cool from the outside. And so somebody else came later and started making a build on the mountain and had like a bunch of a build done when the guy's like, I've been based here this whole time. And that was really annoying. I don't want to do that. So if you're gonna like dig into a mountain, throw up something so that people can tell like, oh, someone is here. Doesn't have to be anything that has your name on or whatever, just something on top to say this is my spot. If you need a bunch of rare block, talk to me. I'm thinking that's not horribly important because a lot of people are gonna be in creative and stuff, but still come talk to me if you want to see cool stuff. So, and eventually I might make a survival. I got a marketplace idea that I want to do, but I haven't done it yet. Warp command. If you type in /warps create and then you name it a thing, you can type /warp and then name. So I got warp spawn, and it'll bring me right here to the center. Looking up for some reason, don't know why it does that. And so that's really useful. I use and I looked through my configs for it recently. I'm the only person who uses this. No one else has made a new warp. So make warps, guys. Make warps. It's fine. Useful plugins. Frick, we went through that already. On pranks and such. If you want to prank somebody's base, leave a sign claiming the prank. Don't ruin things. If you record a video of either side, promote that. Let me know, and I'll freaking promote it and let people know about it. I would love to have things. Let's make awesome things together, guys. Okay. Freaking Minecraft and its naming scheme. Am I right? Plate. It's a weighted pressure plate, not a golden pressure plate. We have to describe things by its job and not its description. Okay. I can get rid of that door. I can get out of game mode 1, I think. Boom. Okay. So, let me give myself an axe. Give stone axe. Bam. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now, these pressure plates use the launch pad, which I'm still gonna tweak. I'm gonna need to make these more vertical. The guy did say he added a way to make a second one, but I haven't seen that in the configs. But yeah, you jump on this, and right now they're set to shoot you away forward, so you can do that. And it also makes a cat sound, which I might nix. But boo, that's pretty cool. So yeah, and there's just anybody can make it. It takes 11 gold to make one of these. I might make the other one with out of iron for jump up block. I want one of them to be jump up. So yeah, that's that. Chop tree. Bam. Chops the tree. It's pretty. Definitely straightforward. And let me hit warp center to bring you to my base of operations. And what can I do? What's a good example? We'll do some crafting because I need some iron. I got some wood on me. So yeah, here's fast craft. You go up to a crafting table and you right click on it, and it's not what you were expecting because it kind of looks more like a chest. But what it is you can click on the oak planks and put them into your inventory, and it lets you build things really quick. And if I hit shift, it'll drop it straight in, so I can grab sticks, and then I can make a pickaxe and an iron axe, and it'll drop them into my inventory without any need for me to actually craft things. So I really like this system. You can hit this, and it'll change how much will get crafted at one time, which is pretty cool. This will let you, hitting this brings it back to the regular grid. This will go to the resort it, because it doesn't, if I hit this, and it brought up all the other stuff. Is there a way I can... Here, let me bring up another set. Okay, so I have 8. If I use up... I don't want to make a bunch of stuff. Okay, if I make a... No, let me get 12. There we go. Chest? No. Anyway, it's designed so that if you have a hole, like here, this will work. If I grab these slabs, the button's still there. This gets rid of the empty spaces. This brings us back to a grid, and just a regular crafting if you do want to do regular crafting. But I don't know why you would, because it's so awesome. Doesn't necessarily have to be so awesome, but we do have world edit in, because it lets you do some cool stuff. One of them is the jump command, which is pretty awesome, which I have bound to the clock. That lets me go, whoop, I'm over there now. Whoop, I'm on top of that. Whoop, let's get to the wall in the center. Whoop, let's go up to my there we go, warp space up top where I can look down at my build. Let's warp to the ground and whoo, take falling damage. Good to know. So yeah, that is pretty dang cool. I am agreeable if you guys have a cool plugin and you think, hey, or if you think, hey, Matt, I've got a problem I don't know what to do about, like creepers blowing up my stuff, or I don't know, something like that. Let me know, and I'll see what I can find for plugins. There's a lot of plugins out there, and you just kind of have to, you know, decide, figure out what needs to get fixed and what you want to do about it, and do the right search. So definitely willing to add stuff. I showed the fast craft. What else did I have in here? Editable signs. Let's go over here. Okay, so I'm keeping track. I've got a death counter attached to the list of the names, and I'm keeping track of all the time that I have been that I have died. And so, like for this one, punch into lava, that's not actually descriptive. If I hit Control Shift and right click, I can actually come into the sign by mob and update it, which is pretty cool. You can fix signs. Right clicking on this lets you go through a wall, which is pretty legit. That's the server right now. I know Shostin's shown up, Kaylee's shown up, Elijah's shown up, Abel made an appearance. So there's a bunch of people who are eventually going to be playing on it, hopefully. And I'm definitely looking for more. And if you're a person I can trust, and I know I can trust you, then I am willing to let you get all the upbees and do stuff. And if you're a person I just met, hi, come on the server, play with me a bit. Let me get to know your personality and such. And it's entirely possible that I will learn to trust you, and you will become my friend, and I will give you great, great powers over this one world. You know what? Maybe we'll do UHC with some of these plugins. Like UHC with Fastcraft sounds really exciting. For no particular reason, other than it would let us craft stuff faster. I don't know if there'd be any tactical difference, but that'd be cool. Shoot, UHC with the clock. And now I'm over there. Combat would be really weird with this. Anyway, that is the new server. I am excited to do it. And if you... Yeah, and hopefully I'll see you online. There we go. That's what we'll say. That's how we'll end it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay online. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Got him. Nope. My wall. My wall is unscathed. Good. The wall's freaking annoying. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.